Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. And where did we leave off? We left off with transmission is completely out. Everything is out on the table here. A couple burnt parts, but nothing, a fresh rebuild can't handle. So this is where we're at, just kind of sitting in there. Now I've got a stand and a custom bracket I got off eBay to hold this bad boy in place while I stuff everything back in there. So that should be on its way. But one thing did arrive, and I just wanted to show you what was going on here. This is Monster Transmission, and let's go ahead and see crack this bad boy open and see how she do. Alright, so in the box what I did order was I ordered an overhaul kit, which is your basic just, clutches and filters and that sort of thing, and that should be it. But what I got was the extra one that's up to 1,000 horsepower, and we'll see what's in the box. I honestly don't really know what's in the box. I just ordered it and they sent it to me, so here we go. So it looks like we've got our overhaul kit. Okay, looks like we've got general seals, got yourself one of them gaskets, a couple other seals here, looks like for the reverse lockout, and a couple of your, input seals. Okay, that's pretty standard stuff, I think. So, hey, free t-shirt, right on. I love free t-shirts. I got a pile of them. Wife gets mad at me. She tries to throw them away, but I find them in the garbage every single time. So she thinks she's a crafty one. She ain't. So so let's go through what's in the box here. Let's see. Shift kit. Okay. Correct. Shift correction package eliminates following problems. High runaway pressure, and you can see my put it on the spinema thing here so we can get it at easier. So there we go. So there's that one piece. Stop spinning them a thingin'. Okay, here's a heavy piece. Comes in the box. Piston kit. Focus. You blanket. There we go. Bonded piston kit. All right, cool. We'll open that up here. Son of a diddly. One-handed too. There we go. There we go. Nice big piece there. It's probably. There we go. There's your piston pack, and there's a third one. That's why this is so dang heavy. Another. There we go. There's your seals. Stickers. Okay. Eat my shift. That sounds like a dirty word. It's very close to a dirty word, folks. I don't know. Eat my shift. Ooh, that's really close, don't you think? So anyway, we've got a new retainer ring. We've got new bearings here. We'll have to press in and out as you can. This one fits. I'm assuming that guy right here. So we got a couple sprags, another one here, another sprag, a whole lot of parts here. Oh, okay, so here's our rear retainers on the back. We've got a roller clutch. All right, good stuff. We've got a bronze bushing here for your, quote, no focus. Come on, you can do it. What we've got here is a no walkout case bushing. Okay, fair enough. We've got a pressure solenoid here, another shift solenoid, 1-2 shift solenoid. We've got our, I don't even know, another shift solenoid. That's probably 3-4, I would assume, if this thing ever wants to focus. Give you the part number. It's an AC Delco number there. There we go. We've got our bands, our reverse band, and also 3-4 band. So that's cool. Looks like we've got another kind of solenoid. This is your 2-3 solenoid. The other one I think was the 3-4. Anytime now. Here we go. Obviously our filter. Nothing fancy about that. Those are pretty standard. Right, regular packaging, don't need that. Okay, here we go. Steel clutches, whole bunch of clutches in here, all your steel guys in here, and then obviously some more replacement bushings, plus looks like a pretty standard clutch pack on the inside. So that is what you get for your money. That's on the website, I think close to $1,000, so of worth of rebuilding goodness. So eventually all this has to go in here, via here, through here, and then where all hopes and dreams are lost. I don't know, it's just, you put all your hopes and dreams in there and disappointment comes flushing out the end, so who knows. Anyway, we'll get to that at some point, but for now, that's where we sit. I gotta start sorting all this stuff, and thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.